Hello creatives, this is Coco. Welcome back to my channel. Today I got a request from a boy Kanto. Kanto-kun, konnichiwa. And the girl Nora, hi Nora, to draw Eevee from Pokemon. So let's get to it. Okay, first let me show you my sketch. So this is what we are going to draw. Eevee with a Pokeball. Okay, let's get to it. First of all, let's give a rough idea where his head is going to be. Just to draw subtle line with a circle. This is just a guideline kind of. His fur, right? Hand. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're just giving us some ideas. And then this is, his body, big tail, and the Pokeball. So you can compare to this. All right. Okay, now we're gonna add more details to his head part. So from here, let's draw a little straight line, but more like a diagonal line. And this is going to be his cheek. This is his chin. And the head part. And remember, we're not gonna do anything on top of the head face yet. Okay? And then now we're going to give him a hair. Like this. And then we're going to give him a big ear. Remember, he has a huge ear. So going like this, kind of like, almost like rabbit style ears, like this. And we're gonna draw the other part, the other side of the ear, like this. And make sure to draw inside of his ear. Basically, you just have to follow the same outline and inline. And this one, we're gonna start from this part and going right here, going up and follow the outer line and come back to the bottom. And once you hit the bottom part, we're going to give him hair like this. Okay? And now let's draw his eyes and nose and mouth. So what I would do is right here, give him big, nice eye like this. Remember, you don't want to draw circle, but more like a flat on the bottom, nice curved, and you get skinnier on the top and nicely curved down. And just giving him a big pupil. Fill this in. This. And then right here, just a circle. So this is a shiny part of his eye. And the bottom, we're gonna give him a half circle and then make sure that the line covers a tip of the pupil, like this. Okay. And this kind of wrinkle or the eyebrows. I don't think this is the eyebrows, but yeah, wrinkle of the eye. And we're gonna give him a cute nose, just basically a small circle and fill in. Okay. And this eye, he is, giving a wink. So draw like this, happy closing eye, like this. Now just give him, like this, a small line above it. Okay, and the mouth is a little bit wavy line on top. And we're going to give him a smiley mouth. And it's optional. I like to do this. I'm just gonna give me a little, circle. This means his cheek, like pink part of the cheek. I think it's cute. All right. Now we're gonna draw the fur part. He has a big, fluffy, thick fur, so make sure to express that. So kind of like a curvy, pointing in. And then giving a nice firm. You don't want to draw zigzag. Make sure the line is really curvy and wavy. And that shows a nice texture of the fur feelings. Like this. Another line. And from here, make sure that it starts almost between his cheek and eye, like this. Nice curving out and in. So like this. Okay. And we're gonna go draw his one hand. Make sure it's starting under the fur and it's ending under the fur as well. And just to give 1 or 2 lines to show his hand, paw. Okay. And this hand starts from right directly under his chin area, like this. And this line doesn't have to go up. It can just stop right here. Okay. And give 1, 2 lines to show that's his paw. Okay. Now we're gonna draw his body part. Oh yeah, it might be. I'm sorry. Let's just start from the Pokeball. I think it's easier to draw. So nice round ball shape. Doing this. Okay. Sorry. It's probably easier to just draw 2 lines across. Okay. And we're going to give a circle. It's okay if the line cross over because we can erase it like this. Do you have an eraser? After that, let's erase these 2 lines. Like this. And we're going to give 1 more line inside. Like that. And in the middle, 1 more circle. So we have drawn 2 circles inside. Okay. Okay, and then we're going to draw his lower part of the body. Let's begin with the back first. So right here, not too far from this hand, we want to draw nice line. It can be almost straight line. Okay, just that. You don't want to draw all the way down, just halfway. And from here, we're gonna draw his back leg. Just give a nice curve in, like this. And we're going to connect the line to the body, like this. And 2 lines here, 1, 2. So it's, it's his paw again. And from here, from the Pokemon ball, we're gonna draw another line of his leg. So this this time, make sure that this line is not the same level as his first line. It's a little bit up. And so you can see that this back leg, this is the behind this front leg by drawing the different level of the bottom. You know what I mean? So it goes like this. Okay? And right here, I'm just gonna draw his tummy like this. And now we are drawing the big tail. Remember, he has a really fluffy tail, so let's draw that by nice circle, like a round line. It's almost like an egg. And here, going tips out. 1, 2, 3. Let's see that. Okay. And from here, we're gonna go close, going back to his butt. And make sure to give another line, like kind of like a zigzag, because it's his pattern. He has a white part on his tail. Yes. All right, yay! So this is what we did. We drew a Pokemon, Eevee, with a Pokeball. Good job. So how was it? I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. If you have any drawing requests, write in the comments and I'll take a look. Until next time, see you. Bye.